Nagulat ang China sa kanilang nakita. Isang Philippine Navy warship ang solong nagpapatrolya sa Baho de Masinloc. Nabigla siguro kasi noong nakaraan, BIFAR at PCG lang ang hinaharas-haras nila. Ngayong warship na ang nagpapaikot-ikot, sabi ng China, niradyohan daw nila ang BRP Apolinario Mabini. Agad naman daw tayong lumayas sa kanilang teritoryo. Pero taliwas yan ayon kay Philippine Navy spokesperson Roy Vincent Trinidad. Kabaliktaran raw ang nangyari. Challenge daw ng ating Navy ang China dahil may karapatan tayong palayasin ng mga Chinese. Sila raw ang umatras while Philippine Navy conducting routine resupply mission. Sa madaling salita, barko ng China ang lumayas sa Baho de Masinloc. Pinapalabas lang ng China na mahina tayo at kinakaya-kaya lang na tayo.
Misleading, misinformation, disinformation, where social media and freedom of expression is controlled by government. Anybody could say that without accountability from the government, although we know that all of it are part of the machineries of disinformation of the Communist Party. So they will keep giving out false information, wrong information.
Papasabugin ang Nemesis o ground-based anti-ship missile system. Kinumpirmang gagamitin yan sa Batanes Island para sa territorial defense exercises. Pero pang-depensa nga ba to para sa Pilipinas? O pang-depensa sa Taiwan sakaling sumabog ang giyera doon? Hindi naman obvious, di ba? Nasa giyera talaga sa Taiwan ang isa sa pinaghahandaan ng AFP at karapatan ng AFP magsanay para dyan para na rin sa proteksyon ng mga OFW.
The Nemesis, I will confirm that it's already in country, is going to participate, is going to be part of the exercises. And that's it.
Whatever reactions other countries may have with the exercise, but as I've always said in all the previous exercises, every country, big or small, has the absolute and inalienable right to defend itself. That means that we also have a right to train for that defense and with the partners, our treaty allies.
Itinanggi naman ng US Army na tinatarget nila ang China. For exercises only lang daw yan at hindi para pabagsakin ang mga aircraft o fighter jet ng China. Pero mas maganda kung masasampulan to mga incheck nakailang beses na rin kasing nambuli to sa Himpapawid gamit ang kanilang PLA Navy helicopter at fighter jet. Etong mga ganito yung dapat pinapasabog para magtanda at hindi na mag-ulit mambuli.
Another exercise going in the Philippines shortly after Balakatan, and that equipment is appropriate and requested for it by the AFP. We would certainly look to participate in that exercise as well, but it is here for exercise purposes.
Kung kayo ang tatanungin, gusto nyo bang manatili sa Pilipinas ang anti-ship missile system na yan? I-komento sa baba inyong salobin.